guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. Thanks for joining me for this week's CVS deals video, and this is actually the first week for this ad cycle and we have an epic beauty sale going on, which means we'll receive a CRT either in our app or you can print it from the red machine in the store, and that CRT will be $10 off when you spend $25 on beauty or personal care products. Make sure you're scanning the items you're picking up to see if they're attaching. And some of the products in the store, the tag actually says that it's part of the Epic Beauty Sale. I have 6 options in this video just to give you an idea on how to use your 10 off 25 CRT in case you need them. And one more thing I found was the 2-pack Yardley bar soap. It's on sale for $1.99. It's not giving back any extra care box, but I'm only mentioning it in case you need a filler item to get to 25 when you're using your 10 off 25 CRT. The first deal I have will be on select Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. If your store is not tagged, check the app or also check online to make sure you're picking the right product. And this deal is part of the Epic Beauty Sale. Pick up 2. The 2 will total $7.98. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $3.98 and you get $3 back, making it just 98 cents for both or 49 cents each. Next deal will be on Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. You can also pick up the Oral-B toothbrush if that's what you want, but if you're picking up the toothpaste, pick up 2. The 2 will total $7.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.98 and you get $4 back, making both just 98 cents or 49 cents each. And this deal is also part of the Epic Beauty Sale. My next deal is on Aveeno facial care. They are part of the spend 25 get $10 back limit of 1 per week. Pick up the Aveeno facial cleanser priced at $8.99 and the facial cream priced at $15.99. These 2 will total $24.98, which is within the 98% rule for the spend 25. We currently don't have any coupons for these 2 items, but the 10 off 25 Epic Beauty CRT is working on these 2 products. That will drop it down to $14.98. Pay that and get $10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on the facial cleanser and $5 back on the facial moisturizer. We also have Activate Reward or $5 back for spending $20. After the rebate from Ibotta and the Activate Reward $5 and the $10 extra care box, these 2 will end up free and $8.02 moneymaker. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $5 back on Garnier facial care, and that's a limit of 1 per week. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. What you can do is pick up 2 of the Garnier Micellar Eye Makeup Remover Pads priced at $7.79, and because of the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.90. The 2 will total $11.69. We received a $3 digital coupon, and I also have a 2 off 10 Garnier facial care CRT. The coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $6.69 and you get $5 back, making both just $1.69 or 85 cents each. The next deal is spend 20 get $10 back on any Eucerin facial cream or cleanser, and it's a limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 of the Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion priced at $13.49 each. And make sure you're getting this from the facial care aisle. The 2 will total $26.98. I have these 2 tier pad coupon that I will use for them. That's $2 off on each. And use the 10 off 25 Epic Beauty CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $12.98 and you get $10 back, making both just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal is on Covergirl Cosmetics, and it's on buy 3 get $10 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 3 of the Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each, and the 3 will total $17.37. I printed these 3 $2 coupons from coupons.com. I printed 2 from my phone and I printed the other one from my laptop. We also have a $2 coupon in our app. I will use 3 for this deal because most times when I do this deal, the $2 we have in our app never comes up for me. I don't know why, but you can try to see if that will work for you if you only have 2 paper coupons. The 3 coupons will take off $6, dropping it down to $11.37, and you get $10 back, making all three just $1.37 or 46 cents each. The next deal I have is when you buy Maybelline Sky High Mascara, you get $5 extra care box back, and they're on sale for $9.99. Pick up one. If you still have your $3 mystery offer from last week that extended, use it with this deal and it will drop it down to $6.99 and you get $5 back, making it just $1.99. The next deal is spend 15 get $10 back on Eco Tools or Real Technique brushes or sponges. Pick up the Real Technique Miracle Powder Puff priced at $6.59 and pick up the Real Technique sponge with case priced at $8.49. These two will total $15.08. We don't have any coupon for this, and this is also part of the Epic Beauty sale. But if you have a percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal. Pay the $15.08 and get $10 back, making both just $5.08 or $2.54 each. The next option I have for the 10 off 25 CRT is to combine the Real Technique deal with the Maybelline deal. These three items will total $25.07. Use the $3 CRT for the Maybelline and also the 10 off 25 CRT. That will drop it down to $12.07 and you get $10 back for the Real Technique deal and $5 back for the Maybelline mascara. That will end up making these three free and $2.93 money maker. The next deal I have will be the 5-ounce Eucerin lotion. They're on sale for $4.99 and when you buy one, you get $3 back. Pick up one. Use the $2 tier pad coupon if you have it. That will drop it down to $2.99 and you get $3 back, making it free. But if you don't have the coupon, you pay the $4.99 and you get $3 back, making it just $1.99. Another way you can do this deal is by picking up the 8.4-ounce Nivea body lotion on sale for $4.99. That's the same deal with the Eucerin, so make sure you're picking up one because it's a limit of one per week. We don't have any coupon for this. You pay the $4.99 and you get $3 back, making it just $1.99. The next deal is on 11.25-ounce soft soap liquid hand soap. They're on sale for 2 for $5 and when you buy two, you get $2 back. Pick up two. You can check softsoap.com and print out two 50-cent coupons, which will drop it down to $4 and you get $2 back, making both just $2 or $1 each. Or you can pick up two 3-pack Iris Spring Bar soap on sale for 2 for $5. We don't have any coupon for these two items. Pay the $5 and get $2 back, making both just $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal I have is on 30-ounce Dove body wash pump. It's on the deal of buy two get $3 back, limit of one per week. Pick up two. They're on sale for $9.99 and the two will total $19.98. We received the 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $13.98 and you get $3 back, making both just $10.98 or $5.49 each. If you prefer the men's body wash, they're on sale for $9.99 and the math is going to be the same thing. If you would like to add this to the Epic Beauty sale, pick up two of the Dove body wash at $9.99 each and pick up the Eucerin lotion at $4.99. 3 items will total $24.97. Use the 10 off 25 CRT, 6 off 2 digital coupon for the Dove, and the $2 coupon for the Eucerin lotion. That will take off $18 and drop it down to $6.97, and you get back $3 for buying 2 of the Dove body wash and $3 back for buying the Eucerin lotion. That will end up making all three just 97 cents or 32 cents each. The next deal I have is on 30 ounces Nivea body wash. It's on sale for $8.99 and when you buy one, you get $4 back. Pick up one, pay the $8.99 and get $4 back, making it just $4.99. This is an example of how the tags look, even when they are not giving extra care box back and they are part of the Epic Beauty sale. And with this, it will help us to at least identify those items. And this is the Chic Disposable Razor on sale for $6.99 and we have a $3 digital coupon, making it just $3.99. The next deal I have will be on Gillette or Aveeno's disposable razors. They're on sale for $6.99, and when you buy one, you get $3 back. Pick up one, use $3 digital coupon we received, and pay $3.99, get $3 back, making it just 99 cents. The next deal I have is buy one get $2 back on any OGX, Maui or Neutrogena hair care, and it's a limit of one per week. Pick up one of the OGX hair care. They're on sale for $6.99, and this OGX shampoo has a $2 Pili coupon on it. Use the $2 coupon if you find it, pay $3.99 and get $2 back, making it just $1.99. The next option I have for the 10 off 25 CRT, which will include the Activate reward, is to combine the Aveeno deal with the OGX, and these three products will total $31.97. Use the 10 off 25 CRT, the $2 OGX coupon that will take off $12, dropping it down to $19.97. Pay that and get $10 back for the Aveeno deal and $2 back for the OGX deal. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back for the facial cleanser and $5 back for the facial cream. And for this deal, before the coupons, it was at $31.97. That means with the Activate reward, it qualifies for the spend 30 get $10 back. And after the $10 back from Activate reward, these three items will end up free and $10.03 moneymaker. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $5 back on any Pampers Easy Up, Ninjamas, Splashers, or Swaddlers, and it's a limit of one per week. Pick up 2 of the Ninjamas at 2 for $22. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $19 and you get 5 back, making both just $14 or $7 each. The next baby care deal I have will be on the 4-pack cleansing wipes. They're on sale for $9.99, and when you buy one, you get $2 back. Pick up one, pay the $9.99 and get $2 back, making it just $7.99. The next deal I have is on 192 count CVS Health Cleansing Wipes. They're on sale for $9.99, and when you buy one, you get $5 back. Pick up one, pay the $9.99 and get $5 back, making it just $4.99. The next deal is on 9-pack Total Home Bar Tissue or the 6-pack paper towel. They're on sale for $8.99, and when you buy one, you get $4 back. Pick up one, pay the $8.99 and get $4 back, making it just $4.99. I have 2 of 10 Total Home CRT that will apply to this deal, but because these items are on sale for $8.99, that 2 of 10 will work. But if you plan on using it, pick up just the basic bath tissue price at $179. That will make the total $10.78, and using the 2 of 10 will drop it down to $8.78, and you get $4 back, making both just $4.78 or $2.39 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 5 back. Pick up the Scott Comfort Plus on sale for $9.99. Scott 12 roll bar tissue on sale for $9.99. And these two will total $19.98. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Comfort Plus, and we also have a $1 digital coupon for the bar tissue. And both will take off $2, dropping it down to $17.98, and you get $5 back, making both just $12.98 or $6.49 each. The next one I have is spend 30 get $10 back, and it's a limit of one per week. Pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $14.99. Charming 6 Mega Roll on sale for $8.99. And 120 bounce dryer sheets on sale for $6.99. These three will total $30.97. For the Tide, we have a $3 digital coupon. The Charming, we have a $1 digital coupon and a $1 coupon for the bounce dryer sheet. The 3 coupons will take off $5, dropping it down to $25.97, and you get 10 back, making all 3 just $15.97 or $5.32 each. Honey Nut Cheerios are on sale for $3.49, and when you buy one, you get $1 back. Pick up 2, and these 2 will total $6.98. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. You can also add the 2 off 6 series CRT we normally get in our email. The coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $3.98, and you get $1 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each. That will end up making both just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next cereal deal I have is on select Kellogg cereals. They are not giving back any extra care box, but they're on sale for $2.49. I'm showing the frosted mini wheats because when I scanned all the cereal I found, these are the only two that attach to the $1.50 off 2 digital coupon we have. Picking up two will total $4.98. Use the $1.50 off 2 digital coupon. That will drop it down to $3.48 for both, or $1.74 each. The 10-count McCafe coffee on sale for $5.99, and when you buy one, you get $1 back. Pick up one, pay the $5.99, and you get $1 back, making it just $4.99. You can pick up the 6-pack Smart Water or Fiji Water on sale for $4.99, and when you buy one, you get $1 back. Picking up one, pay the $4.99 and you get $1 back, making it just $3.99. I have 3 more options for the spend $25 get $10 off, and the first one is to pick up 2 of the Colgate toothpaste on sale for $3.99 each, and 3 Covergirl Perfect Blend Pencil at $5.79 each. These 5 products will total $25.35, and for the coupons and CRTs for this deal will be the 10 off 25 Epic Beauty CRT, 4 off 2 Colgate digital coupon, and 3 of the $2 coupon from coupons.com for the Covergirl. That will drop the total down to $5.35, and you get $10 back for the Covergirl and $3 back for the Colgate toothpaste. This will end up making all 5 free and $7.65 moneymaker. The last option I have is to pick up the Gillette disposable razor on sale for $6.99, Nivea body wash on sale for $8.99, OGX on sale for $6.99, and the Eucerin lotion on sale for $4.99. These 4 will total $27.96. Use the $3 digital coupon for the Gillette, $2 coupon for the OGX, that's the Pili coupon, and $2 coupon for the Eucerin. Add the 10 off 25 Epic Beauty Sale CRT. The 3 coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $10.96, and you get $3 back for the Gillette deal, $4 back for the Nivea body wash, $2 back for the OGX, and $3 back for the Eucerin lotion. That will end up making this for free and $1.04 moneymaker. And this concludes my video for today. I hope this is helpful. Thank you all for all your support. Thank you all for showing up every Sunday for me, and I'll talk to you next time.